Hi everyone, this is Kikibo Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video ang Dawnbell compilation. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Anong meron, ma'am? Wait lang, everyone is talking about possibly Diyos ko, but nobody expected with... Ah, Diyos ko, walang-wala. Dear, paano sila mag-ano? Paano sila? Paano sila mag... Siguro project, oo, pero love team, malabo. Ah, hello. Bakit parang may narinig ako na Emma Bacos? Bakit parang may narinig akong Emma Bacosa? Totoo ba? Hello? Ang katal ba ni Donnie? Mas matangkad pa siya kay Jen Alcilio, no? Ay, excuse me, they're so clingy. I know, right? Ganun talaga. Huwag mo nang kontrahin. Ganun talaga pag may karapatan ka, di ba? Yan ang sinasabi ko for today's video. Charot! Di ba? Iba na talaga ang mga tumatapang palibhasa umami na eh. Charot! Palibhasa umami na talaga sa vlog ni Vice Ganda. Aminin, marami na naman sasabi na past tense. Tense talaga kasi they're talking about panliligaw. They're talking about panliligaw. So after na panliligaw, anong next? Eh di sila na. Kaya nga past tense, di ba? Ayan na. Sige, Kinshi, push mo yun. Ipo-push ko talaga. Statis, di ba, ma'am? Ipo-push ko talaga. Di ba? Kung gusto niyo kung kontahin, gumawa kayo ng platform. Go! Huwag niyong galawin ang Dawnbell ko because masaya kami dito for today's video. Saan talahin? Straight sizzles. Okay. Ay! Bago to ah! Ang giling-giling. Guwapo nito. Ay! Wait lang. Ang bilis naman umaba ng buhok niya. Cutie niya talaga, I swear. Big baby boy talaga siya, no? Ay, bakit naman ganun? Iniiba pa talaga.
First of all, thank you so
Ay,
much, Sun Life, for having me again. I missed you guys. Thank you for everything that you do, syempre, for the Philippines.
everything that
Kasi
you
at the end
do,
of the day, we
everything
really
that you
want to provide
do.
financial literacy to all the Filipinos and show them how important it is, to look after their future and look
Actually,
after their
true.
loved ones. So yeah, later
Totoo
we have an
yan.
event actually with a lot of the Sun Life um, influencers and advisors. So every time we do
Hindi ko
that,
kasi
the
ito
energy is
napag-aralan ang Sun Life eh.
really the best. So it really comes to show that you have a good team behind you. But I think what I would like to say is I really did enjoy the ones that they were talking about a while ago sa panel, where you have to just start now and just not think about too much about what you want to do in the future in terms of like perfecting everything.
Yes.
But putting yourself out there just so that you get to experience things for the first time and things that will hopefully teach you about maturity and growth
Hmm.
and things that make you leave your comfort zone so you can
Bakit
see
ang
what
galing-galing
happens
niya
when
magsalita,
you leave your
ma'am?
comfort zone. And I think that's the best thing about Sun Life is there's so many opportunities, so much potential. Lalo na
Galing niya
ngayon
talaga magsalita.
sa crisis natin sa Philippines, diba? With everyone wanting to make sure that rightfully so, money
Nakakaingit
is going
lang,
to the
sa
right
totoo
place.
lang.
So for me, if I were to just share any of my experience and advice, it would be just to talk to a Sun Life advisor because they have all the information and it's really catered to your needs. Ako yun yung una kong ginawa. Bago yung pinakaunang shoot namin with Sun Life a couple years ago, the
Oo.
first thing I did, it was very similar to this setup, was to talk to a Sun Life advisor.
Ang
And
gwapo niya,
then she asked
oh.
me what are my goals,
Oh
what
my
are
God,
my
ang
needs,
gwapo niya, no? Ganda ng
where
mata
do I
niya.
put the
Sorry, Donnie, hindi ako
financial
nakafocus
results in
sa
this area
sinasabi
of my
mo.
life?
Sa mukha
Do
ako
I want to see it
nakatingin.
20 years, 30 years from now, or is it something that I want to get into, for my family? So, yun, lahat na yun, matatakal yun if you talk to a Sun Life advisor. And also, one of the biggest misconceptions, I think, is
What?
pagdating
Sige
sa
nga.
insurance, mahal yun.
Yes.
Pero kasi dito sa Sun Life, there are a lot of products that they have that don't cost a lot of money.
Mm.
And I think that's why I'm also very happy to share about these products, especially when you talk to the advisors, is because it does so much for your future and for your life that saving a small amount of money allocated for that and to give you more certainty, because nothing in life is certain, but to give you more
Mm-mm.
safety about what's going to happen in the future, it really makes it worth it. So please do that. And yeah, sobrang na-appreciate ko rin ang support ng Sun Life all through these years. Sobrang grateful ako na nandun sila sa lahat ng areas ng buhay ko actually. Nakita ko yan. So, start small guys and live right now. Maraming salamat po.
What is the thing that
Ay,
matters most to you?
Bakit ang galing-galing niya magsalita?
Love and
Yan lang
time
yung concern
and
ko, ma'am.
relationships. I think everything just should center around love, you know. Siyempre, nobody's perfect, but if you can do your best to aim for that, loving people despite the situation, understanding where people are coming from. Siyempre, it's easier said than done, diba? Pero if we can just
Gwapo talaga
have
nito.
more grace towards people.
Mami,
And syempre,
natutulala
time,
ako
that's
sa
something you can never
kanya.
buy.
Ang
So,
gwapo niya
I
talaga.
didn't say money because money can never buy time. If you have time, then that is the most valuable currency you can have. And of course, you spend that with people who mean the most to you, or even strangers, you know, people who you just want to get to know,
Pero
people you
naman,
want to share experience with, or talk about your differences, diba? So there, just having a holistic approach.
ay, sino yung girl na nakapulupot doon? Makapulupot naman. Si Jojo. Charis. Ano to?
With only 7% of the Filipinos,
Ay,
sinabi po kanina na parang feeling secured. And for me, parang super low yung percentage na yun, no? How do you plan to use your influence as Sun Life's ambassador to change this narrative
7%
and promote financial
lang na
literacy?
Pilipino ang may insurance. Totoo ba?
7%
Baba,
lang.
no?
Grabe. But can you blame them? Sa state ng
Oo.
country ngayon, ang
Sabagay.
hirap, di ba?
Kung sa bagay,
Kasi
oo
siyempre,
nga
paano
naman.
paano mo i-secure yung sarili mo kung ganito yung nangyayari ngayon?
Yes.
Everything going on is just so confusing and you don't know if
Totoo nga naman.
the
We
future of
cannot
your
blame.
kids will be okay, di ba? But I get it, I get it.
Gosh.
And you can't
Sa
you can't blame us for
parang
thinking that way because you know, the state of our country really
7%
it needs a
lang.
lot, you know, it needs a lot to take place. But you should always have hope. And I think
So,
that's the one
7%
thing Sun
lang
Life
yung
gives is
middle
hope.
class? Or kahit
And if
na
I'm
middle
able to
class,
share
minsan
in that,
walang
if I'm able to tell
insurance
people
eh.
that, hey, there's still so
Diba?
much we can look forward to, and
Wala, ang
we can still do
lala.
our own.
Parang nalungkot tuloy ako bigla. Ganun kalala ang Pilipino. Anyways, that is all for today's video. That's not my business anymore. This is K-Pop. Save and save and save. This is K-Pop Vlogs. See you in my next vlog. Bye.